Hello guys, today we will continue with CSIRNet Part B July 2024 solved paper. Okay, I am Astra Nazdin from STV Academy. C is the collection of all sets such that the power set has countably infinite. If it is a countably infinite, then what is the power set for these two per LF naught gives the value LF naught. LF naught means this is the countable number. This is countable finite number. Infinite power set is finite number means it is a contradicted statement. If it is a contradicted statement means we have to take C is empty set. Okay, in this question, A is greater than or equals to is a bounded sequence in R. Which of the following statement is false here? For this limit suprema and limit infimum, we have a condition here that infimum is less than or equals to limit infimum is less than or equals to limit supremum is less than or equals to supremum here. Okay, now the first condition limit infimum is equals to limit supremum. Yeah, here these two conditions are true, so it is a convergent. Yes, it is a true statement here. Infimum is equals to limit supremum. Infimum value is equals to limit supremum. These two conditions are there, so this is also a convergent statement. It is also a true here. Here also supremum is equals to infimum. Here also by these two conditions, these two statements, these two are equal, so this condition is also a true statement. It is a constant, it is a true statement here. For considering this here, consider a sequence which is a limit n tends to infinity minus 1 power n. So this value becomes 0 here. The suprema value, consider it as from 0 to 1. Here what is the suprema value? Suprema value is 1 here. And what is the limit infimum value? This value is 0 here. So by these two are not equal, so these two is not equal here, so this is a false statement here. Now here e power x plus x is equals to 1. This is the question which has been given, so e power x can be written as 1 minus x here. Now draw the graph here. What you'll get the graph here, this is the e power x graph and this is 1 minus x graph. This is 1 minus x graph here. By these two graphs, what you can write here, these two graphs intersect only at one point here. When these two graphs intersect only at one point means the cardinality is 1. This is the value here given n is greater than or equals to 1 here, so consider limit n tends to infinity here. So x square by root of x square plus 1 by n. When you apply the limit here, this value becomes infinite. When you apply the infinite, this value becomes 0 here. When you remove the square root, what you'll get x square by mod x. When you cancel this out, this value becomes mod x. This value becomes r. So mod x, this value becomes r here. Okay, when you remove the root, what you'll get plus of minus x here. So mod x, when you apply this, you'll get only the positive term, and this value when you cancel out gives the value like this. So mod x is the correct answer here. Hence please like, share and subscribe. If you have any kinds of photos, comment me in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.